Okay. Now for section 1 of DESGN 301. We'll set up our AutoCAD workspace and start to draw lines and shapes. First, you'll need to learn a bit about VMware and how it works. More and more of our software is migrating to online subscriptions, so you'll need to work on a cloud-based platform at some point in your career. Using our VMware gives you good training for that, and lets us all work on exactly the same software. That's a big benefit for training together. It does take some setup though, so that you can save work easily. And if your own internet connections is a bit weak, you may run into problems. You should know that the ARC side of the VMware connection is blazing fast and almost never goes down, so if you're having trouble, let me know and I can help you contact our tech support team to set up your site as strong as possible. You can also download the software yourself, but we can't offer much tech support for you if you do. In addition, some of you might not be used to using a Windows interface. Please know that most industries that use AutoCAD are Windows-based, so you should get used to working in that environment if you don't already know how to. Once you are onto our virtual desktops using VMware, you'll be able to open AutoCAD. This is a very large and complex product that has tons of uses in many different fields. So you have to set it up to look and work the way that you want to. For this class, I try to set up in a very generic, simple fashion, and then let you get more complex as we go. So try to follow my setup for now. Finally, in the third part of this section, you'll start to draw. You'll turn in your AutoCAD drawings for this. Those have a DWG extension at the end. The grading rubric has a section for being recognizable, for accuracy, and for precision. Pay attention to that as much as you can. There is also a section in the rubric about standards. Those are free points for now. For developing your workplace skills, you practice good file management, creating your own part of a collaboration file and performing project plan updates. The collaboration has two parts. One is adding terminology to a shared file, and the other is creating some basic 3D work and sharing it with your colleagues. There is some optional work too. That takes the 3D work that you did and exports it in a format that a 3D printer can use. You can see, even from the very start, AutoCAD is a very powerful program that is used for working in groups. And you can send different parts of a file to different clients depending on their needs. So there you have it. In summary, we'll set up VMware so that you can access our software. We'll set up AutoCAD and start using it to draw lines and shapes. And finally, we get some workplace skills practice in file management, collaboration, and project planning. Please be sure to get your questions answered early. If you are online and can't meet during regularly scheduled lab and meeting times, you can see the recordings of the lab on the Canvas Cloud recording section of Tech Connect Zoom. I look forward to working with you and to seeing your good work.